So the hard drive is right here. That's what went out on this computer. And that's what we're going to remove. The Lenovo sent me another hard drive, a replacement hard drive. They're generous enough to let me replace it on my own. And I was going to replace it with SSD hard drive, but I decided against that because I didn't want to void my warranty or anything. There's two screws here that anchor this in place. There's this one here. And there's this one here. So we're going to remove those. And we'll set them safely to the side. No, this isn't ideal how I'm doing this. You want a ground strap and an ESD pad under you. So I'm going to put a link to where you can get those. I used to have them, but I don't anymore. I've been lazy. I'm a naughty engineer. Now, that link will be an affiliate link, so I make a few cents off it if you purchase through it. So thank you in advance. As I remove this, I noticed they gave me a nice little tab here, little plastic tab, so all I have to do is kind of wiggle it, pull back, and there's the hard drive. So I'm going to set the broken drive to the side. Interestingly, it's a Toshiba. The new one is a Seagate. This is a 500 gigabyte, 2.5 inch ultra thin 7mm drive. And the new one looks quite similar. I'm trying to figure out if I need to salvage this cradle at all, because I don't have this foam piece here. I think I'm going to do that. So I'm going to set this to the side. And I'm going to salvage the cradle from the old one. I want to keep that foam in place, which is good. These are mechanical drives. I would not encourage you to purchase a laptop like this with a mechanical hard drive. They have horrible reliability when it comes to being jostled and all that. So these pads will be critical if you are replacing the drive, because these absorb impact. And I think that's what got my drive. I use the computer a lot, and I have it all over the place. I'm putting it in my bag, out of my bag, setting it in the back of my car, taking it away, and so on and so forth. So I like this cover better. I see that this one came with its own version, but I like this metal one better. It will shield the drive from noise better than this shitty plastic piece of junk here, and it also has a little cushion to absorb the shock. So we're going to take advantage of that and save that bad boy there before I mail back this new one. And wow, did they put the screws in here really good. They really put the screws to this thing. Try and remove that. It's really in there tight. There we go, bottom one's out. So I'm going to try and keep these screws separate. This is from the broken drive. This is from the good drive. And Jiminy, I might need a screwdriver with a little more grip to it if I have one. Nope, I don't. Let's remove this one here. Got it. The upper corner coming out. And then the last one, which is sticking. Boy, I'm going to need to get a new screwdriver here. Be right back. So I got the old drive cover off. There it is. Or the one from the new drive. I'm going to put that with the broken drive and set it to the side. I feel the old one is superior because it has a special protective pad right there and better shielding. It's metal all around. So I'm going to put it back on. Also got this other screwdriver. It grips a little bit better. And now we're going to put the new drive back in. Slowly put it in place. And then you're going to wiggle it a little bit into the connector. There we go. Shouldn't go with too much effort. We have these two screws to put back in. Voila, the new drive is in place.